This is sheep. Sheep are gentle farm animals that live in groups called flocks. They give us wool for warm clothes and also milk in some places around the world.
Crocodiles are strong reptiles that live in rivers and swamps. They have sharp teeth, powerful tails, and can swim very fast in water.
This is a colorful fish. A colorful fish lives in water and swims gently with its fins. It has bright, beautiful colors and moves quietly in the water. This is a dung beetle. A dung beetle is a small insect that rolls balls of dung across the ground. It works very hard and helps keep nature clean. This is a zebra. A zebra is a beautiful animal with black and white stripes. It runs fast and lives in the grassland. This is bull. Bulls are strong farm animals with powerful bodies and sharp horns. They can pull heavy loads and help farmers in many places around the world. This is a bee. A bee is a small, buzzing insect that loves flowers. It makes honey and helps plants grow by spreading pollen. This is a leopard. A leopard is a fast and strong animal with beautiful spotted fur. It can climb trees and move very quietly. Leopards are amazing hunters. This is a scorpion. A scorpion is a small animal with a curved tail and a sting. It moves slowly and hides during the day. This is a rhinoceros. A rhinoceros is a big, strong animal with a thick body and a horn on its nose. This is a chameleon. A chameleon is a special animal that can change its color. It moves slowly and uses its long tongue to catch food. This is cow. Cows give us milk and are very helpful animals. They eat grass and live on farms. Baby cows are called calves. This is a grasshopper. A grasshopper is a small green insect that can jump very far. It makes soft chirping sounds and lives in the grass. This is a gecko. It is a small lizard that can easily climb walls and even walk on ceilings. It is very quick, smart, and mostly comes out at night. This is horse. Horses are strong and fast animals used for riding and transportation. They have been helping humans for thousands of years and are known for their speed and intelligence. This is goat. Goats are smart and active animals that love to climb and explore. They give us milk and can live in many different environments around the world.